So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. See if that works. For the second method, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an Nvidia graphics card, so I got the Nvidia app. And now once you're on our software, you want to go to the driver tab. Now you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and then click on enter. And now this will come up, the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next, wait for this to load. And now if this comes up, you want to click on apply this fix and then click on next. And if this comes up again, you want to click on enable. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this will not fix your problem.